Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chandana, pursuing 4th semester in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkatesh College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject Principles of Communication Systems with the subject code BEC 402. And today I'm discussing about the topic Pulse Code Modulation with Line Codes. Introduction to PCM with line codes. Pulse code modulation is a digital representation of an analog signal where the magnitude of the signal is sampled and quantized. Line codes are used to transmit digital data over communication channels by mapping binary data to physical signals. PCM with line code is a method of encoding digital signals for transmission over communication channels. This is a block diagram of pulse code modulation. Basics of pulse code modulation. In PCM, the continuous analog signal is sampled at regular intervals and each sample is quantized into discrete value. The quantized samples are then encoded into binary code words for transmission. PCM allows for high quality transmission and reproduction of analog signals. Types of line codes. Unipolar line code uses a single voltage level to represent a binary 1 and 0 voltage for binary 0. Bipolar line code use alternating positive and negative voltage level to represent binary ones and zeros. Manchester encoding combines clock and data into one signal with transition occurring at middle of each byte period. Advantages of PCM with line codes. PCM with line codes provide better noise immunity compared to analog transmission method. Line codes help in synchronization and error detection in the transmitted data. The use of line codes allows for efficient transmission of digital data over communication channels. As you can see the block diagram of PCM, the analog signal is sampling and quantizing and encoding, that is PCM encoder, and it is finally forming the digital data. Sampling includes PAM signal, that is pulse amplitude modulation, and quantizing include quantized signal. Sampling and quantization in PCM. Sampling involves measuring the amplitude of the analog signal at regular intervals in time. Quantization is the process of approximating each sample to the nearest level in a finite set of possible values. The number of quantization levels determines the resolution and accuracy of the PCM system. Common line codes in PCM. NRZ, non-return to zero, encodes data by representing 1 as high or low voltage level and 0 as the absence of signal. RZ, return to 0, resets the signal to 0 at midpoint of each bit period to prevent long runs of zeros. AMI, alternate mark inversion, ensures a balanced number of positive and negative pulses to maintain DC balance. Transmission and reception of PCM with line codes. At the transmitter, the analog signal is sampled, quantized, and encoded into binary code words using line codes. The encoded signal is transmitted over the communication channel to the receiver. At the receiver, the binary data is decoded and the original analog signal is reconstructed for playback. Applications of PCM with line codes. PCM with line codes is commonly used in telecommunication for voice transmission over digital networks. It is also used in data communication system for transmitting digital data over long distances. In audio recording and playback systems, PCM with line code ensure high fidelity reproduction of sound. Challenges and limitations of PCM with line codes. Quantization noise introduced during the quantization process can degrade the signal quality. Synchronization errors and line coding violations can occur, leading to data corruption. Limited bandwidth and signal distortion over long transmission distances are challenges in PCM with line codes. Conclusion part. PCM with line codes is fundamental technique for encoding digital signals for transmission over communication channels. It offers advantages such as noise immunity, synchronization, and error detection. By understanding the principles of PCM and line coding, efficient and reliable data transmission can be achieved. I hope you understand the concept of pulse code modulation with line codes. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.